Portion sizes have grown exponentially over the years, and rates of obesity have skyrocketed. In the 1950s, a soda at McDonald's was 7 ounces. Today, the company sells a quart-sized soda nearly 5 times larger than its normal size. KFC sells a half-gallon size with nearly 800 calories. This means this is the author's opinion, told Food Navigator USA, from a consumer's perspective, this was not about banning soda. This was about how much is reasonable for one person. There are a lot of factors that contribute to obesity. One major one is the fact that what used to be a normal size is now called mini. Indeed, we need to change our food environment if we want to reduce obesity rates and encourage consumers to select healthier food choices. So I believe our author is for this soda ban. That means selling smaller size portions of food and drinks that provide no nutritional value. In my opinion, this is the author's opinion, curbing the sizes of sugary drinks was certainly a good place to start. I applaud the health department's efforts and hope that we can all work together to promote a healthier food environment for our children to grow up in. Now I'm going to let you guys pause the video and finish up your 2-column notes. Make sure that you have the author's claim on the left side. And I'm going to say, I believe the author is for the sugary drink portion cap, but you put your own author's claim. I too, don't forget to put your thoughts on the right. I too am for the sugary drink portion cap because it promotes a healthier environment for children.